Welcome to Swedish Edmonds Hospital. My name is Chef deBoer. Today we're going to show you how to cook a beautiful cod Bristol-based salmon. We're going to cook it on a cedar board where it's soaked in water for at least 4 hours. Salmon is really high in omega-3s, but it's really good for your brain and heart. So at least 2 servings a week would be recommended. I will show you how to skin the fillet. You don't have to do it at home, but you also can get it from your retailer or store owners to do it for you. A side like this serves easily 4 persons. And I cut it up in 4 equal portions. There you go. We're going to rub this with a brown sugar, fennel, and an ordinary simple seasoning salt. We're going to mix this up. 1 part of sugar, half part of seasoning salt, and a tablespoon of fennel seeds. I mix this up. And I rub this onto the salmon. And gonna place this on our cedar board. Today we're gonna cook 1 portion for you. So here we go. I like to serve this cedar plank salmon with a little roast potatoes and a blue cheese tomato. That goes in the oven, a 400-degree oven, for approximately 8 minutes. We also can put this on the barbecue if you like to at home, and the wood will not burn. And let's wait and see how it comes out of the oven. Oh, looks great. Beautiful colors. Okay, let's plate this. Salmon, beautiful cooked. Tomato, roast potatoes. I like to serve this with a little bit baby arugula. Baby arugula. Tossed with a little olive oil. Balsamic. Pinch of salt. Tossed a little bit. You can take any kind of local greens that you can find at your market. And a little shaved Parmesan cheese. Here you go, one of our many dishes at Swedish Edmonds Hospital. Come by and enjoy our food.